I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you ever need to lock your card with Western Union, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Western Union app or website and enter your login credentials. Make sure you have your username and password handy. Step 2. Navigate to card settings. Once logged in, go to the account settings or card management section. Look for an option that mentions manage cards or card settings. Step 3. Select your card. Find the card you want to lock from the list of your linked cards. Click on it to access more options. Step 4. Lock your card. Look for a toggle or button that says lock card or disable card. Click it to initiate the locking process. You may need to confirm your choice. Step 5. Confirm lock status. Before starting recovery, use the Extra.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Remember, if you accidentally lock your card, you can easily unlock it by following the same steps. I hope this helps you secure your card when needed.